Ever submitted an expense in a foreign currency and wondered how Expensify magically converts it to your home currency? Or maybe you've noticed some discrepancies and want to ensure your reimbursements are accurate? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how Expensify handles exchange rates. We'll cover understanding Expensify's default exchange rates, learn how Expensify sources its default rates and how they impact your expenses. Customizing exchange rates, discover how to override the default rates and set your own for specific currencies or even entire trips. Tips for accuracy and avoiding surprises. We'll share some pro tips to ensure your expense reports are always accurate and you get reimbursed correctly. Let's get started. By default, Expensify utilizes a reputable third-party provider for its exchange rates. These rates are generally updated regularly to reflect current market conditions. Here's how it works. Automatic conversion. When you submit an expense in a foreign currency, Expensify automatically converts it to your home currency using the default rate applicable at the time of the transaction. Rate transparency. Expensify provides you with the exchange rate used for each conversion right on the expense line item. This ensures transparency and allows you to easily verify the calculations. Important note, while the default rates are usually accurate, fluctuations in the currency market can sometimes lead to minor discrepancies. Now, let's talk about how to customize exchange rates. This is particularly useful when you have a preferred exchange rate source. Perhaps your company has a specific rate they want to use for accounting purposes. You need to use a historical rate. For example, if you're reconciling expenses with a bank statement that used an older exchange rate. You're dealing with complex situations, like multi-leg trips with varying exchange rates. Here's how to customize rates in Expensify. Individual expense override. On the individual expense line item, you can manually enter the exchange rate you want to use. This is a great option for single expenses or when you need to correct a specific conversion. Trip level overrides. For multi-day trips in multiple countries, you can set a custom exchange rate for the entire trip. This ensures consistency across all expenses within that trip. Company-wide overrides. If your company requires specific exchange rates, your administrator can configure company-wide overrides. This ensures all employees use the same exchange rates for company expenses. Customization options may vary depending on your Expensify plan and company policies. Here are some valuable tips to ensure your exchange rates are accurate and you avoid any unpleasant surprises. Check your bank statements. Compare the exchange rates used by Expensify with the rates on your bank statements. This helps identify any discrepancies and ensures you're reimbursed correctly. Track exchange rate fluctuations. If you're traveling for an extended period, keep an eye on exchange rate movements to anticipate potential changes in your reimbursement amounts. Use a currency converter app. Utilize a reliable currency converter app to get real-time exchange rates and double-check Expensify's calculations. Communicate with your finance team. If you have any questions or concerns about exchange rates, always reach out to your finance team for clarification and guidance. By following these tips, you can ensure your expense reports are accurate, your reimbursements are processed smoothly, and you can avoid any unexpected financial surprises. Setting the right exchange rate in Expensify is crucial for accurate expense reporting and smooth reimbursements. By understanding Expensify's default rates, learning how to customize them, and following our tips for accuracy, you can streamline your expense management process and ensure you get reimbursed correctly. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.